right? So 3 coins are tossed. Now, when there are 3 coins tossed, how many heads would you get there?
Six.
Oh God. When 3 coins are tossed, you can get a 0 head or 1 head or 2 head or 3 head. How come 6 there? I mean,
What?
no way
Oh
you can
wait,
get
heads
6.
as in heads. Oh, I read it. I thought you meant like faces.
Okay, so now the question is how many heads? So it could be 0, 1, 2 or 3. Now, if I am here to find out the probability that I get 0 head. So when would I get 0 head? When I have all tails coming up, all 3 tails. So that can happen once out of 8. Do you understand this?
Yeah. Okay.
Right? By 8, I hope you understand when 3 coins are tossed, the total possibility is 8.
Why is the total?
Head ones. So when I talk about head ones, it is, this is once. Do you understand this? So it is 3 times. Do you get it? When I talk about head twice, so these are 2 heads. Do you understand this?
Yeah.
And head thrice, so it is 1 by 8. Do you get it?
Yeah.
So this table is known as probability distribution table, where P of X is known as probability function, more important probability mass function, but don't worry about this word mass, it is not muchly used. So it's probability function. This P of X lies between always 0 and 1, and summation P of X should be always equal to 1. That means when you add all these values, you will get 1. Do you understand this?
Yeah.
Okay, please take a screenshot of this. Okay. Now, once you've done this thing, so here you understood as to what is probability function and what are the conditions for probability function, P of X, right? Now, if you are asked to find out expected value, if you are asked to find out expected value, that is E of X, also known as mean, also denoted by letter mu, right? Then how do you find out? You get it from the table. The formula to E of X is, summation X P of X, right? So for all the variables that you have, so if you see X and P of X, this is X and this is P of X. So you multiply them. So 0 into 1 by 8, 1 into 3 by 8, 2 into 3 by 8, 3 into 1 by 8. Do you understand this? And since it is a summation, so you add this. And that's your answer. Am I very clear with this? Am I very clear with this?
Yeah. So,
Yeah, so this is the way you find out the expected value. Now, in expected value also, there are times when the function is of different kind. Like you may be asked E of 7x plus 2. E of 7x plus 2. Then what do? You take 7 aside, you do E of x, and mean of 2. When you have all the number 2, what would be the mean of that? 2 itself. Do you understand this? So you find E of x from this table, you put it here and you get the answer to such question. Do you get it?
yeah.
Okay. Further on, if you are asked to find out E of x square, E of x square is summation x square P of x. The same thing, only you'll square the x part. You'll square the x part. So if you square the x part, what do you get? 0 square into 1 by 8 plus 1 square into 3 by 8 plus 2 square into 3 by 8 plus 3 square into 1 by 8. Do you get it?
Summation. Okay.
I hope understood. Take a screenshot of this.
By hmm, okay.
Is that understood?
So you
Yeah.
will do this when they ask you
E of x
the
square.
what is e of x square, like in words.
Expected value for a
Expect.
particular function. Yeah. The function here is x square.
Okay. Okay.
Right? Okay. Further on. Now, next thing that can be done, that is manually, since for AHL especially, right? For paper 1, you can have questions of this kind, which says find variance with the table given, or you will need to make the table. So the variance is denoted by sigma square. Sigma square is E of x square minus E of x the whole square. So we know how to find out E of x square. Yeah, we have done it here. Do we know E of x? Yes, we know it here. We substitute and we get variance. Further, they would ask you to find out standard deviation. So how do you find out standard deviation? It is square root of variance. So that is sigma, right? So that is standard deviation. Am I very clear with that? This is paper 1.
Okay. Variance
Take a
is
screenshot. Take a screenshot.
variance. Okay. So
Done?
basically, yeah, okay.
Okay. Go to the textbook now. Just scroll through the textbook that I've done all these things. Just go through the textbook for a while so that I would go ahead with the next concept also.